Hello everyone, this is Taryn with Wonderfully Made Handcrafting. Today I am back working in my Disciples Journal from By the Will for God. I am documenting chapter 5 of this book that I've been reading by Dane Ortlund, The Heart of Jesus. If you haven't seen my previous videos, this is a concise version of his bigger and more popular book, Gentle and Lowly. So today I am documenting John 6:37, and I have a couple notes that I want to take from this study and also from my own personal study with Blue Letter Bible. Of course, I want to pretty up my page a little bit first, so I have this butterfly ephemera from the Silent Voices kit from By the Will for God, and this is what I'm going to base all my colors for my notes on. So I am pulling out all the blues, tans, and yellows. I will also use some mild liners on this page as well. And I've grabbed out my Digging Deep stamp and also the Greek alpha. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to write out this verse. So I'm going to do fun little bubble letters using my Tombow Funinosuke brush pen. This is the ESV translation, and it says, "All that the Father gives me will come to me, and whoever comes to me, I will never cast out." And I definitely wanted the never cast out to be nice and bold, so I will actually use my big Tile Alpha stickers in that nice bright yellow color to make that pop off the page. Now, I don't really plan out these layouts before I do anything, and so I just started laying down these stickers and hoping that they would actually fit. So I'm kind of looking at how much spacing I have, and then I will start at the end of out and put it that way and make sure that it all fits in nicely. So one of John Bunyan's, the author of Pilgrim's Progress, favorite verses was John 6:37, and he often quoted it in his writings. And Dane Ortlund, the author of this book that I'm studying, has a little quote in here, and it says, "At the center of his book, Bunyan confronts our natural suspicions of what Jesus is like. We can easily tend to think that Jesus is welcoming to others, but not so much with us. Sure, he'll embrace others fully, but me?" One by one, Bunyan rejects our reasons for not coming to Jesus. "But I am a great sinner," say you. "I will in no wise cast out," says Christ. "But I am an old sinner," say you. "I will in no wise cast out," says Christ. "But I am a hard-hearted sinner," say you. "I will in no wise cast out," says Christ. And so he keeps on going on, and at the end he says, "But I have no good thing to bring with me," say you. "I will in no wise cast out," says Christ. And so I really liked how he quoted that. And in the 17th century English, "in no wise" was how it was said. And in the original Greek, it was a double negative for emphasis. And so I just wanted to add that to a little blue label down there. It just means like not cast you out. I will most certainly never ever cast you out. So Dane Ortlund almost does a recreation of this by Bunyan, and his says, "No, wait," we say cautiously approaching Jesus. "You don't understand. I've really messed up in all kinds of ways." "I know," he responds. "You know most of it, sure. Certainly more than what others see. But there's brokenness down inside me that is hidden from everyone. I know it all. Well, the thing is, it isn't just my past. It's my present too. I understand. But I don't know if I can break free of this anytime soon. That's the only kind of person I'm here to help. The burden is heavy and heavier all the time. Then let me carry it. It's too much to bear. Not for me. You don't get it. My mistakes aren't directed toward others. They're against you. Then I am the one most suited to forgive them. But the more of the ugliness in me you discover, the sooner you'll get fed up with me. Whoever comes to me, I will never cast out." Ortlund goes on to say at the end of this chapter, Jesus does not say, "Whoever comes to me and feels really badly for their sin," or promises to do better next time. He simply says, "Whoever comes to me, I will never cast out." And so right here, I am doing the two Greek words for the never because it is a double negative. So the first one is Strong's G3756. It is a primary word, the absolute negative, an adverb. It means no, not, in direct questions, expecting an affirmative answer. So here I am showing you on Blue Letter Bible where you can find the interlinear concordance or the Strong's numbers. And so this is the second negative. This is G3361. And this one is a primary participle of qualified negation. It means no or not lest. And so how is that different from the first no or negative? And the first one is an absolute denial. So I will also add that little asterisk right there and write out absolute denial and show how those two no's or nots are different. The last little nugget of information I want to add to this page is a Spurgeon quote. This is also from the Blue Letter Bible app. I look up David Guzik's commentary because I like how he uses a lot of strong theologians in his quotes and everything. And so this quote says, "Faith in Christ is simply and truly described as coming to him. It is not an acrobatic feat. It is simply a coming to Christ. It is not an exercise of profound mental faculties. It is coming to Christ. A child comes to his mother. A blind man comes to his home. Even an animal comes to his master. Coming is a very simple action indeed. It seems to have only two things about it. One is to come away from something, and the other is to come to something." So last thing I will do is add a little bit more of my mild liner highlighters to just spruce up the page a little bit and add some more color. Just make this a little bit more appetizing to the eyes. And then this page will be complete. If you've enjoyed this study process, please like and comment down below. I will also leave links to purchase this journal and anything else that I've used from By the Wall for God. You can follow me over on Instagram as well and also on Facebook. So I hope you have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.